Hi guys. Okay. No, not this one. Look at this one. Okay. Okay. Are you guys done reading? Do you want me to explain it? Okay, so basically, there are some tasks that you need to do, and for each task, there's a duration and a deadline. Okay, so the duration is how long you need, like the time you need to finish the task. Okay, and then the deadline, it's not an actual deadline. It's basically the reward the reward you would get if you finished it at time equals 0, but you will get less of a reward for like every additional time unit that you take. Okay, so for example, if you finish this task, okay, so let's say that there's only this task and nothing else, so you will start with you will do this task first because it's the only thing, so that will take let's say 6 seconds, and then when you are done with it, the time will be equal to 6 seconds, right? So then the reward you will get will be equal to 10 minus 6. Okay, so let's say that next you do this task, and then you take 8 seconds to do it, so then the time when you finish both will be 14. Okay, so then the reward you will get from this task is 15 minus 14. Okay, so then the reward for these two tasks in total, if you do that in this order, will be 4 plus 1 equals 5. Cool? Okay, so now you think about how to do this. What is the maximum reward if you act optimally? Oh, also, you have to do all of the tasks, even if the task will give you a negative score. Isn't that sad? That's how work works. You have to do it even if it will be bad for you. Okay, anyway. What was I doing? Okay, yeah. Okay, so first, let's think about an extremely simplified problem. What if you have to do all the tasks in the order that they give you? What are you going to do then?
Do the third one.
Hmm?
Do the third one first.
Do the third. What? Hold on, I said what if the problem says you have to do the tasks in the order that they give you? Yeah, that's very simple, guys.
We can make an array of the finish time,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Okay.
deadline
No, if
time
you have to
and
do it in
finish
order,
time.
then you can just do it.
Do it. Yes. Simulate it. Okay. So it's very simple. Oh, and just simulate it, right? Everyone good with this? Just keep increasing the time and then calculate the score for each task. Okay? So then we know that if we know the order in which we're going to do the task, then this question becomes very simple, right? But the question is, in what order should you do the tasks?
Oh, like last week, do binary.
Okay, you could do that, but binary. Okay, so this n is 2 times 10 to the 5th. Okay, binary usually takes something similar to 2 to the n. So this will be like extremely large, 2 to the 2 times 10 to the 5th. That's like an extremely large number. Quite impossible. So for this one, I think I may have told you before. Okay, so when you see 2 times 10 to the 5th, that means it is usually either on or on log n. Hold on. I should really get a pen.
Maybe. Oh, you can use my iPad. if you
Oh.
want.
Nah. Or sometimes O n
Can we
square
just
root n.
sort it?
But what would you sort it by, huh?
I'm not sure. Wait, can we look at the problem again?
Okay, just a second. Sometimes it is also n times. Yeah, this is a times, not like. Yeah, you know, n times square root n sometimes. Okay, look at this task.
Some with the formula or about the graduation trip or ERB related, so soon. Did you still focus on the face? Try to have something for the face. Try to have that continue for face.
So sometimes it is very helpful to write things down in a somewhat mathematical way. Do you agree? Yes, you should agree because there is no room for disagreement. Hold on. Okay. So let's write down the mathematical notation for the score that you will get. Okay. Let's say that you already have the sorted, like, let's say that the tasks are already sorted optimally. Okay? So then let's say that let me think. TI. Like, I realized that I should just use. Okay, let's say that TI. What does it do this? Wow, I don't want autocorrect. I'm having a stroke. Okay, TI equals like duration of task, like how long you'll take, and then the let's say deadline. I don't know how to name things. Okay, it's not the actual deadline. Okay, so like even if you pass the deadline, you will still get a score, but it's a negative score. Okay, just remember that, because like when I was first doing this problem, I was kind of confused. Okay, so it has to be a sum, right? So you have, because you have a bunch of, it's from an array. So let's say I equals 0, and then 2n minus 1. You guys know sum notation, right?
Yeah.
Good, you should. Oh, so this thing, you know what this means? Okay, cool. Everyone knows? Cool. Okay, what will be, so here you should write the term, okay? So what is the score you will get from one task?
That I minus
That I. Okay, let's just use the uppercase I. I don't care anymore. The M minus TI. Are you sure? Think about it a little bit.
Minus the finishing time.
Yes, so what is the finishing time?
You can just.
Oh,
It's like the sum of the first
The
two
total of
eyes.
the duration.
Yes, the total of the duration. So that would mean, it's time for some weird parentheses. Oh, oops. Okay, this and then, let's say J, equals 0 to I. Okay, and then this TI. Like that. Oh. Okay, do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So, so this can be expanded. Do you guys know like the rules for summation notation? Okay.
Kind of.
Okay, so I don't want to get into it right now. Okay, the rule you need to know right now is that if there are two terms connected by like a plus or a minus sign, then you can split those two apart. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you guys know this? You probably learned it at some point, right?
Yeah.
Yay. And then you minus. Oh yeah, it's similar to limit because. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Okay, this is like a sum in a sum. Okay, you guys get it, right? Okay. Okay, look at this for a bit. Okay, so what you will notice is that this one does not depend on the order of the tasks at all, right? This can be calculated before you do anything, okay? But then this will depend on the order of the tasks. This can be a little bit confusing. Is it confusing? You can also write it in another way, like say that you made a prefix sum, so this would be like the sum up to that point. Let's say that you made one, then you could represent it like this. So right now we already know that this term is fixed. So then that means if we want to maximize this whole thing, then that means we have to minimize this thing. Right?
Yeah.
Minimize.
So you can just sort Ti.
Ti from smaller to larger.
Yeah. Why would this work?
Because the sum needs to be like as small as possible.
Yes. Hold on, I realize that this is not that helpful. Okay, so the idea is that this will turn into a sort of terrace. Hold on. It's like hold on. It's like this. As in, oh god. As in, this is like the t. The time, I mean. Like that. So then, basically, if you look at this, you'll find that the first element will be added like n times. And then the second element will be added n minus 1 times. Yeah? N times. And then this will be n minus 1 times. And then this will be n minus 2 times, etc. Until the last one is only added 1 time. Yeah? Yeah. So, logically, if you want the whole sum of this to be the smallest, you will put the smallest time first, so that like the one that is added the most times will be the smallest time, right? Yeah. Okay, that's basically it. I want you to do it. Oh, do you want to see the code? It's very simple. Oh wow, it's even more simple than I remembered. Yeah, like this. Okay, I shouldn't have showed it to you. Now you know everything. Okay, now do it in 10 minutes.